guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, my name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children, and we currently live in eastern New Mexico, and we did recently just buy this house last year in March. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let the music play for y'all. This is pretty much a whole house all day clean with me. It did take me all day to clean. So anyways, don't forget to say hey in the comments. And if you aren't, I would hope you would consider subscribing to my channel.
You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a speeding top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming, I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a speeding top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, 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 oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, in a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows, get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's
So I just wanted to add in here that my room was a disaster. So I hope everybody had a happy new year and a good Christmas. Our house took about 2 weeks to literally get back to normal, and it's still not even really back to normal. I don't think it really ever will be, to be honest with you, but it took quite a long time. I had to go through several boxes in my room. We had to take down all the Christmas stuff I cleaned out some of my Christmas tubs to make room for stuff, and I ended up having more Christmas stuff than what I started out with. So that's what the 2 boxes in the closet were for. And then I have 3 tubs chilling in my living room still with no place for them to really go. We lost a lot of our storage opportunities moving into this home. We lost our attic, but it's okay. We'll find a space, no worries. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that's why my room was such a disaster, and I'm really just trying to get everything back in order the best way that I can. I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken. So I also wanted to mention that this video was being filmed on my phone. I decided to give the camera a rest because I felt like some of my videos were not coming out the way they should, and they were looking kind of bad. I don't know if it's the lighting in the house or what, but I do notice other people's videos look better because they have more light in their homes, and maybe that's my issue. We really do not. So anyways, that's what I wanted to mention. And then I also wanted to mention that this took place the day before my son was supposed to come home from California. He actually ended up getting stranded in California twice. The first plane was delayed, so he would have missed his second plane, and then the second plane also had like engine issues, so they rescheduled that flight for the next day, and he had to fly out of San Francisco to get here. So keep in mind, like, that drive from where we used to live to San Francisco is super long. It's like an hour long with no traffic. But anyways, he was able to get home last night. So today is what, like the 5th. So he's able to get home on the 4th, but he was supposed to be home New Year's Day on the 1st. So anyways, he got home safe. That's all that matters. But yeah, I wanted to mention I am filming this on my phone. So definitely let me know in the comments if you guys think the clarity is a little bit better. Any feedback is always welcome. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So this was the ending of my evening, was getting back into the kitchen to finish those dishes that were left. And I did collect dishes from around the house, but you could tell I had a lot to clean this day. So, and there was some stuff that I wanted to wait on. It was no big deal, but had to get caught up on those dishes. It was driving me crazy. But anyway, I am going to end the video here soon, so I definitely want to say thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to say hey in the comments and like the video if you enjoyed all the cleaning motivation. And if you haven't, I hope you consider subscribing. Again, it is free for you. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
City where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning.